You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And yeah, me have to, hey, trust me, me know one mood, one moment, you know what I mean? Me have to just give thanks, you know what I mean? Celebration moment, you know what I mean? Cause life there done. So guess what going on? This one is called Spoiled Brat episode 1 and 2. Me I put it together for you. Want to see what I go on, cause as me say as always, enough people don't know say episode 1 did there. Sometimes I don't realize it's an episode slightly. You know what I mean? So just watch a movie, I enjoy. But who see them say they want to see 1 and 2 at the same place. So this is just to put it in the same place. Alright? So big up on yourself as always. Thanks to all the supporters. You know, the person that made this possible, you know what I mean? All the actors. You know, remember everybody who in the movie I still, you know, I go try that one that this morning. You know what I mean? So yeah. But big up everybody who, you know, was a part of that production. I think I remember them slightly now, you know. But I'm not calling them still coming out for myself no problem. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you know, from who went there from day one, we don't know a thing of family. You know what I mean? Who just a join on, welcome to the family, right? Yeah man. So big up on yourself and watch episode 1, episode 2. You know, there's a lot of other stuff coming your way. You know what I mean? So just understand, you know what I mean? Who if I say we should have jump to episode 3, hold on. Alright? Just give me some time, alright? And thanks again to who understand and believe. And me always say, you can't please everybody. Hold on. You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. You have to make them understand exactly what I want. But guess what? Watch the movie and thanks for the support. All right? Oh.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're on that knees, sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our fault. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good.
Boy, I'm tired. Every time I say for there, drop.
How you do?
You're blind? I play hopscotch. You play?
Yeah, play hopscotch. Hey, you play hopscotch to yourself.
Yeah.
Me can't manage them again now. Come we go climb one tree or something. You don't know what the nearest mango tree there?
Which part?
Ariga River. That's a better idea.
River? Me not go river. My father said, me not forget no river.
What do you mean your father said that we got no river?
My father said, me not forget no river, so me not go no river.
So you're there, so a jump. You a frog?
Yeah. You play?
No, me not. And you not even draw good.
You not for draw good. As long as you do it.
No, me can't do this with you. This is not my cup of tea.
So what for your cup of tea?
River.
Me not go no river, my father said me not forget no river. So me not go no river.
Me can't manage you, you know.
What?
Where your father there?
In the round, that's what I just said, I don't want to go no river. Cause my father said, if me behave myself this a week, yeah, I'm gonna upgrade my phone to iPhone 12. Oh.
So, so you not follow me?
No, I'm not come. I play hopscotch. You mad?
You forgot to say, are you my shoe in that dog so? I mean, you don't put that in my face.
You chat too much. That be nice.
What you mean?
Supposed to make my father hear.
You not follow me. You not follow me. Go pick mango. Alright, take the river off of it. You not follow me. Go pick mango.
I'm gonna follow you. You not talk though.
Only if you follow me.
I'll follow you.
Because we just say, March to your phone. Oh yeah, look at you so.
Girl, me have to watch out for my father.
I can't bother with you, you know.
I just a mango tree come.
Yeah, my mom can't fling come and leave. That's why I can't.
Then first life.
It's better than you're singing in here like you're mad. And jump up and down like you're a frog. You're a frog.
So a mango, yeah.
What are you doing that?
I'm saying you're an idiot.
Are you an idiot? What are you doing that? What? And then, watch out. You worse than me. You.
Girl, it's time I did I try to take up stone and fling off a mango.
What part of me hand leading understand? I know people them when they hey, me not mash no in the like it, you know.
You chat too much, man. So a mango.
Nobody not
Sit there.
Hey, I feel me that you know.
You mad?
What you mean?
And I'm fling and catch it? Girl, me. You not get my mango. You can't get my mango. You're crazy. I forget my mango.
You didn't feel to eat mango today. If I never me, you would come up here, so. You didn't feel to eat mango. You're in your yard, jump like you're the pan.
I don't feel feed mango, no, but just to know as I come my mango tree, me feel feed and me fling and me get one, I'm gonna feel like more fling again.
Wait, what make me go tell for you?
Bet you.
So you lick out the window. I mash up the people them glass, I almost lick out their eye.
You chat too much.
What you mean chat too much? You want to chat too much?
What? Show me chat too much.
Give me that mango there.
Huh?
I can't.
Marika! So she not... Like a girl I go, yo boy, me tell the girl, come let me can't talk to that girl in at all. Eh? Come let me can't talk to this girl in at all.
Yeah, daddy.
Marika, where are you, Marika?
Daddy, me a come, me a run a come. Daddy, me the right up, so daddy, me a come here. Me a come, me a come.
What you mean say the right up here, say you're
Daddy,
come?
me a come.
Me tell you to leave the yard, Marika? Eh?
No. Daddy, daddy, me a come.
Turn up and pull the gate and come through the gate.
Daddy.
What you mean, say daddy? Me not tell you say don't go through the gate.
Daddy, I run, go up there and run, come back.
So where you go up there, Safa? Eh?
I'm gonna get one mango off a mango tree up there.
Mango off a mango tree?
Yeah.
Marika, me don't talk about certain things already. Eh?
Daddy,
You
I
the
go
peep.
like say me go a river, so me not go on a river. A mango tree, me go daddy.
Yeah, talk
That's say
about.
me not figure a river, me not go a river. Me just stay here and me going, me just run go up there so I run come back.
You take it for joke, not true? You
No.
take that for joke?
No?
Eh?
No, daddy.
No, daddy, you laugh. You happy, not true? What if you go up there sir, and something happen? Who you go up the road a while ago? Eh? Are you alone go up the road?
Me Amanda.
That little girl, me tell her, say she has to come here and dry you out, and you keep on to make she dry you out.
Daddy,
Why you
I'm a
keep on do
friend.
that?
My only friend me have.
I know
daddy.
your friend, them people are not friend. Friends are people who protect you. I bet say you and she fight, Jesus Christ. Eh? You and she fight a while ago?
Daddy around, we did around, cause me picking mango and she wanted one mango, me picking a daddy. And the girl gobble me up.
Listen to me.
But I take that as nothing.
Marika, you have to understand what you have to do. See? If you tell me say you stay out here so and play, you stay out here so and play. You can't have me in the room now, in the house, I think say boy you're out here so, and then you're gone on the road. That don't make no sense. You know, everything me make sure so you get you comfortable in your life. And it come like say you want people. That little Margaret girl who come check you out with my man there, you know. Right now, every time when she come to you, something what she want. You know, if you make friend, I come check if you only something what they want, only, and feel like them a friend. You have two type of people in this world. You hear me say? You have givers and you have takers. And she to me is a taker. You hear me say?
Yes, daddy.
And I'll make it happen again.
Alright.
Actually, why, you know me love you, my daughter. And you know, if you feel like me a cramp your style or stop you from do certain things, you know, based on you want to just be free, but I know so it work. You get what me I say? Eh?
Long time.
Alright. Go around. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Can you take things for the joke? Go around now.
Phone, daddy.
Go around now.
Oh my God.
Go on round now. You take this thing for joke. You think a joke business is a? What you think life is a joke?
Marika!
Little girl, I'm gonna tell you say. Eh? I'm gonna tell you say. I'm gonna tell you say. Hello, go on back in that place, so. Miss. You don't have a yard. You don't have a place to stay.
Of course, I have a yard.
So what you feel say yes sir is the only place for you to forward every time I draw out my daughter.
Watch out your daughter.
You! Stop coming. Hello. Find something to do. Don't come check my daughter every second when you want something. I mean, no say I saw your tongue. I feel dirty woman. Only thing she do, I leave her here just to do her here and go a road. So you don't have no time.
I'm going to tell my mother pa you.
What you mean say tell your mother pan?
I tell my mother say your there so chat me with her. I tell me I like talk foolishness. I tell mommy say you there so I call up her name.
Me I call your mother name? Hmm?
Yes.
Me just tell you the facts. You
Now
need...
what tell me
Well,
mother?
tell your ma. If you want to tell your ma, you tell your ma. For your business that. You understand? But you need to stop coming up here and come drop my daughter out of her house.
Watch out your daughter, sir.
You know,
Watch out your daughter.
You know, say today I see one scarf on her neck. I mean, no, say yeah, she a fight. Cause every time you see
Me and
her.
I never did that fight.
So what go on? Them tell me up say.
Me and I never did that fight.
So what happened then?
She not tell her what happened.
So what? So you no, you tell me what
She not
happened.
tell her what happened.
Tell me from
well,
your.
me not gonna tell her if she not tell her.
Gaia yard. That's all me gonna tell you. No, Gaia yard. Stop come up here so I can draw my daughter, man. Only thing you do is draw out and carry go all up and down all them places there. For what?
And me come here so ask her if she go. If she never want to come, I could not force her. She come off her own will.
Go on.
Me never force her, me never drive her to my house.
Take time, go on. Watch her ears. What kind of 15-year-old pitney have ears ring bore straight round on the two sides? What kind of mama you have, girl?
I don't have a mummer, I have a mother. You got me down.
Yeah, that's what you do.
Tell her that I believe call here.
No.
You favor Anansi with your locks then.
Me favor Nancy. And you favor Charlotte like
You
the pig.
favor mosquito.
Me favor mosquito. And you favor centipede. Something wrong with you. Hello, Uncle Girl. Come here. Stop it, stop it. No. You stand up yourself. You hear how she talk? I say you want to talk to? I say you want to come up in her life? Eh? Hey. I don't understand what you want, you know. But you have to decide from now. Because you feel like I just ramping and because I spoil you. You feel like you don't have to really work on nothing. You just have to just continue, just go and be a, a little child. Not true? At some point you have to grow up being a 15-year-old. You understand me I say? At this point everything changes. You're there in that fourth, which farm? A third farm or fourth farm? You're there in a third farm. I'm going to a fourth farm very soon. Yeah, you know what I say? Alright, I have phone, I'm going to give back, but based upon where you behave, so, I'm not going to give back my phone. No, daddy, one. Don't, take time, go on and go watch your plate. Go watch your plate, them. Watch your plate already? That is good. No, you're not getting no phone, come galang in. Go on and place, man. You don't have test. Hello, I said, don't do that. So make your ball now. How what? You feel so if your ball you get the phone? Eh?
Please.
Why no easy star? Sweet, that's true. Go along in that place, man. And I make it happen again. You hear me say?
Marika.
Where are they, Amanda?
What you mean, mommy, are there?
Where are they? Go on home, cause you're not get me not trouble today again, you know. So go on home later. Now my father not buy me that iPhone 12. You mad? See, I'll make me all mix up and I play foolishness, you know.
Look here.
Okay, no. Where you get money from? Where you get money from?
I'm fine.
Where you find money?
Me, I'm find money. You find money, right? You make mom go through work over here.
Yeah.
Right handed.
You find money?
Yeah.
So? We go do the money.
That's for it. You don't want nothing for it.
Come on, chicken.
Is a whole of luminous drag on my face?
Sorry, I'm never been vagina face.
You have chicken body?
Alright,
You know, a joke. Come, we go buy chicken.
Voila.
What? Just go. Stay, you know, I'm one little food system. Food is life. Why you help like that?
Where should I get the money from again?
What do you mean?
I remember where I get money from. I don't get money from. Oh, you're finding?
Yeah.
Oh. Amanda, I'm trying to say I find the money, you know.
You know, say everybody that lecture me, so when I come to you and say me find money, I go buy food.
No, I just tell us to make sure I don't want to now we get in trouble this time. What you do that for?
But me and eat the chicken and tap in it. Me full my belly, you alright?
So I can't take in that plate. You could have got chicken. You don't have to really carry a plate like cook shop, Amanda.
Girl, me rather eat out of my plate than eat out of somebody else's plate. Cause I don't know what they put in it. I don't know if they wash before they go put the food in it. Give me.
Amanda.
I just told my mother teach me and my mother teach me.
Amanda, this her.
You just a cup for your hey.
The chicken rice too. You could have buy 2 juice still and still in there. If you buy source of food. Guys, it and all. Guys, choke me right now.
You know say ungrateful.
I'm ungrateful.
You not even say thanks. You say
Man, that's
buy
spitting on my
food.
food.
I could buy juice. Me have a great man take it back.
Come take it back. I'm sorry, my father.
You tell your father say what?
I'm sorry, my mother.
Yeah, book this in higher front. Me no bother want it.
I don't do I get you.
Me no bother want.
Amanda,
Mommy, how you know stay up here somebody?
shut your mouth and ask me what me open yourself and say. Yeah, you that. Oh, hi, America.
Hi, Miss Pinky.
May I ask you one question? You take up no money by mistake for the dresser?
No, mommy. America buy me that food here. Just a while ago up. Shut up! Just a while ago up the road.
Just I go the road. Cause me I wonder, you know. Say, oh, as me put on my money, it pitch and gone. Hey, let me tell you something, little girl. Let me tell you something.
Ask daddy
Don't
about your
play
money.
with me. Ask which daddy about which money. Don't play with me, no. Because me know you're a thief like your papa. Don't play with me. I saw your papa thief. I saw your thief. I remember me tell you something, little
Mommy,
girl.
you're not fear embarrass me
Girl, shut
so.
up for me boof you. Let me tell you something, little girl. Don't make me spit dry. And when me go back and me not see me money, you can't tell me nothing. You hear me tell you? You know if you not play with me.
Amanda.
Alright.
So
Don't talk to me.
how you say I find
Don't
find
talk to
money?
me.
Oh, what on there? How you live? Remove yourself. Now your friend hungry belly like.
Like are you?
Hey, little girl. So me and you, we are the same jazz now. Know yourself. Me must sketch you. Me must tell up her. Nonsense. Look a piece of tail, girl. Amanda! Amanda!
Yes, mommy.
Come here. Why kitchen look so? You know? You want me to lick sense in your head for you know? What make it, Amanda, what make you kill me off? Eh? Why you they kill me off? Girl, make you so nasty. Me nasty? Me ask you a question.
But mommy, if
Me ask you a question. Me nasty?
they not answer me, go answer you.
Yes or no? Me nasty?
Me no know.
You don't know? You don't know? Me nasty? Huh? Come here. Tell a brighter stuff. From when me realize, you know, me realize the dirty needs them boy, you know. All your money go.
Which money?
All your money go. What me can't find.
Mommy, me no know.
Amanda, you know say I go finish me. If I not today, or tomorrow I go finish me. Amanda, what me not give you? Me and you there so, and we are build life together. There is nothing you're not short of. And you plan to treat me like this? As you plan to treat me? And you see how things things are go tough right now. I a thief from me. Eh?
Mommy, I never me.
All the money I go because see them it just don't do me here. If you pay the girl, so how me I go pay her? You don't know? You don't know? Amanda, stop thief. And that me say stop
Mommy,
thief.
me a thief.
So you what then?
Your daughter.
Yo. Remove every plate from out of the zinc right now and go wash them.
Okay.
No water no there in there. Remove them and go wash them. That me say. Girl, come here. You have sense. You have sense. You have sense. Get up. Oh, where the mama so a prison send me. I'm ready for ball out.
I'm yelling on my back.
I broke me, should I broke it? But me look in your back. Take out every one of them now. Hey girl, you know hear me say? Take out the whole of them. Take out the whole of them. You little bit of no manners. You smell down there so now. Take them out. Pat them up. Hurry up too.
Mommy, I know say I never me take your money. America coming at my house and take it. You know, raise no thief. I am not a thief. I am country. I'm going to tell Daddy boy.
Come on. America so. You see how I idiot? Eh? Me never know how I idiot me a raise. One non-skull brain smaddy me a raise. Eh? So, you tell me say America come in and go thief the money. And you allow America to thief the money. You know say show me a friend and me tell her where. You know say you look idiot. Eh? Say you make she come in here. You make a little thief in here come in and go take my money. Eh? Are you put money?
No.
I fear money. I fear our money. Yo. You don't even know what you tell me so now, you know. Hurry up and remove yourself from my side. Hurry up. Remove yourself.
Marika! Who that?
Hello?
Who's it?
Good night, Mr. Jacob. I don't know what they call, but me hear that they call Jacob. So good night, Mr. Jacob.
Jacoby. Jacob is the name, ma'am? Jacoby.
Okay, good night, Mr. Jacoby.
And what? I don't understand that signal, ma'am. You want to shake me hand?
Give me the money. Where your picnic coming at my house, come thief. That me a talk about. Come. I'm gonna read it on the long talking tonight, you know.
Alright, me get to understand that you lose your brain and your feet say up here, so you lost it.
Lose which brain?
And I don't think your brain is up here anywhere. So, you know, like you can look under the bed, in the toilet, or under the sink if you can't find your brain. Because obviously, your brain run off and your feet say up here, say drop. So, I'm going to tell you now, say, if you and your picnic take your time and go on the yard.
It come like, say, you want me to piss in a one buckle and fling in your face, say, you know if my brain is up here. You just tell the little dirty man, say, if your friend which is in picnic coming at my house, come thief me money.
Who thief your money?
Remember who thief me money?
Who thief your money?
Are you coming?
Amanda, where
Amanda say you're coming at my house, come thief me money.
Amanda say he find the money on the mango.
Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl, Amanda. Beat the girl. Beat the girl. Beat the girl. Yeah, that. Beat the girl.
Marika, what is going on here now?
Daddy,
Eh?
Daddy, today me up on the front, you know. Amanda coming out with me and play ask cash. I'm saying find money on the mango tree. I'm saying one go buy food. I'm going. And then, I say, alright, mom, chicken, and she buy my chicken. Then her mother come and ask the money. And I look at girl thief the money and I feel like tell me thief money.
So how you a chief? Lord of mercy.
Then me don't thief no money. I'm fine inside fine.
I don't even know what to say right now. I swear to Jesus. Marika, wait, hey, I don't want, hey. It's alright. You stay here, sir. You stay here, sir.
How you fi make the girl kick in your belly? I'm here to beat the girl. I saw me grow you. I saw me teach you to fight. You look hey.
Rastaman going my way.
I saw thump you. Which Rastaman gonna wish you? Me see how all of the Rastaman can save your one.
No, I want to spill from it.
How that?
Pinky.
Pinky what? Who that?
It's Jacoby.
Jacoby.
Good evening. I'd like to have a talk with you as adult to adults, not a child around.
Amanda, please go inside.
Look up.
Good job. What you say now,
Jacoby, right? You see, I'm a father where growing a young girl is kind of complicated, right? But at the end of the day, I try my best to do a lot of things to make sure that she's comfortable. I know you're doing the same thing because you're raising your daughter. So you have a comprehensive knowledge of what I'm trying to say to you. But I don't think the way you handle things and the way she grab me here like say she want to fight her. She
grab her here because your daughter kick her in her belly. You look at me for you come to me and give one when I look a donkey kick them. You come and say about you don't like the way she grab her here.
Oh,
so like an Englishman. You're Englishman?
So I understand. Alright,
no, Englishman?
I'm not a
Butu peg.
What is butu? Alright. All I'm saying is that I think there's a big misunderstanding where this money situation is concerned because my daughter never come to your daughter's house. I'm sure about that. I don't ask her yet. When I go back in, I'm going to talk to her and find out exactly what's going on. Right? But you need to understand, say, we can't have this kind of behavior. Them grew up from a long time, That's why them actually are friends. You understand me? I say, say me we have differences back in the day. And things don't work out. And from ever since, we I can't meet odds. So like right now you're aggressive and you attack certain things. I know where it's coming from.
I'm not going to say all the money I will go.
Which money?
Because when you talk right now, it don't make no sense. And when you talk, Mr. Jacob, it cannot pay me right now. And if me carry the money, go give the woman for do my head.
Alright, so listen to me.
You know what you said, cost? At 10,000 for do this. See, right now, you make things worse. All the money go, look at dirty Rasta man. Come in, I have to take the spoon and the fork and collide the head together. All the money go.
Alright, so what will happen now is that I'm going to leave your place because I tell you this clear. My daughter is not responsible for your daughter taking your money and me have to go pay for it. You understand?
Me say you're a thief. You or your daughter a thief. From me looking at you, Mr. Jacob. Me see thief in his print out in here,
Alright, I think it's time for
Mr.
me.
Jacob, let
I
me
tried.
out.
I tried.
Let me for me choke out here, left me out. Watch out, Mr. You left me out. Nonsense. Rubbish. Amanda.
Mommy.
Come here. You really look dirty, man. But his daughter is not a thief. And his daughter never come over here. Imagine, I pick up his daughter. Hey!
America take the money, mommy.
America take the money. I go teach her one lesson. Say, do not allow strangers into my house. I go teach all this yarn. Hello?
Hello?
What going, brother?
Sister, why? You know, so me get up this morning and I said to myself, say, I don't know if you're going to really help me out in that situation, but I told you did tell me, say, if any case and anything go on with me, feel like me want to go help with me sick me, the doctor, you know, help me. Remember you tell me that?
Yeah, but as long as it don't have nothing to do with money, cause right about now, I have no money.
No, listen to me. You're the wrong smart you're talking. Don't dare your face stick. And don't do it again. You understand me? I say, don't make it seem like you want to tell me call after bigger things, lady. I don't beg a thing. I say, last money I spend, you know, was $15,000, you know. And up until you know, give me my money, you know. And you give me 7,500 every week, and I don't get $1. So it's not about money this time. You understand me?
Alright, my brother, joke me and make. What you say?
I must joke you make because sometimes you run some serious joke. I mean, I like them something there. You feel a weird star, but yeah. So back to the story now. So, to me, look at that now. She basically, you know, we're running around a little situation because she must take some money from somebody. And then, when you take it out, the woman carry back the picnic come out the yard, says she want money to pay to do her hair. And me, I said to myself, say, that not nothing to do with me. But me know, say, my daughter no thief. You understand that the only thing we can put me head on the block and say.
Hello. Wait a second. You can't say she not thief, because remember say her mama blood are running in her vein. So she will do anything, because her mama know nothing about her.
That's a true, because I want dirty piece of woman, that's the true. But I just want that because I want to get my grief. And last time I think about that and get by that situation there, a blood pressure pill I have to buy from Dr. Place. So I'm really upon that right now. So I understand say, only thing more you do for me is help me out with that. More send her come today. You know how you stay or what you do.
Look, you know, me will help you out, because at the end of the day, I'm my niece already. So, and then me feel like she out of line and she needs somebody to put her back in the line. So send her, come and me deal with her.
That is true. But one thing me have a problem with, and one thing I gotta ask you.
What that?
You already feel here, I mean, I have vexed with me, because last time I said to you, you feel like a vexation thing. That the man that still come out the yard?
Lord Jesus.
One night stand thing, you know?
Lord Jesus. Come on to my business, and brother, that's not for your business, man.
No, but me can't send my daughter up there, because that's a dirty man, I'm going to trust them dirty man there. So me I say, is it that the man stop, stop deal, because me here to the left, you know, in total.
It's a new man me have, and him not coming here, and me go to him. So no worry about nobody and a man and nothing like that, because me have a new man.
Okay. So him not coming there?
No, you're mad, me done with that.
Alright, good. Because, well, me going to start 1 month. So me I send her down for the month, because I'm going to school just the holiday.
Okay.
So me I going to send her down for the month and thing, and then we see what I want. So, you remember the money you owe me, so just use that and buy food for her.
Brother, nobody with the fooling issue. Make sure so when you come, you pack a little bag with a little snacks and a little juice them, and you get a little money for bring come give me, because you know me not have no money, you know.
Remember say you owe me. So me I say, you see the owe money, instead of giving me 15,000. Just know, say boy, that money they split out by here, take care of you and buy food. But you act like say you buy no food, eh? Not saying for the flour, the only flour you buy, eh? I be flour you name, you know. You forget?
You see?
You forget.
Look here now, you see?
And the doctor tells you to stop me and flour. No, you say not stop me and flour, because flour is life. Eh? That's what you want to say.
That's why it's not good for make nasty nigga know your business. Look here now, just come out of my business.
And your brother, we have to know what me I tell you, say, you have to start name rice like Chinese. You realize the Chinese never yet disappear and go use bathroom or them something there. Or you never see Chinese doctor. Eh? Alright, do it, mama. Practice for name rice.
Alright, like when you want me name rice, pack when you send up the little girl, you get her the money or you pack the rice send her with. Because I not have it.
Alright, just take your time on here, woman. Later, and thank you very much. Love you so much, my sister.
Alright, my brother, love you too, but come out of my business, man, later.
She's the one out here.
I could have said, like a picnic, I could drive me insane, but I felt my brother, you know. This alone can't help me right about now. Oi! What one there?
Yeah. Where you going with?
What that thing, man, there?
You're good.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Long time I not see you, my friend.
Why? Girl, me day get you? Where
Get,
Facebook so?
get through. And suck a salt le palm me, my friend.
Girl, no say so.
It's like when you cook your food. You have the tip salt and everything you cook. I soy salt dash your palm.
My God.
When I get through, girl. When I get through, it stress me right out.
And you do everything what me tell you to do?
After my brain a tick. I must do everything you tell me to do.
Girl, that's how it go. You can try again.
Try again.
Yeah, girl, what you want to give up? You know how much time me try? A fourth time I try before me get through. I'ma tell you that.
That are you. Me can just try so. And nothing now come true.
Girl, you have to have faith. Me not just tell you a fourth time me go before me get through. Have a little faith now.
So. Anyways, where you going differently? You know room?
No, my love. My day is stressed out and I think I want some rum right about now. You could bring some?
Hey, you ever have rum? You know no rum for you?
No, me not no rum. No have rum for you. No rum at all.
When was the last I drink rum?
Well, last time I did go have a drink.
Yeah. You find new man?
Yeah, my love. But then I'm not tell up on the phone.
Hold on. The man who you find, him better than the next one.
Way better, girl. Because this a boy, him love me and him just has spending money, so. Yeah.
Let's see. See how do you new hairstyle.
Yeah, my love.
Because that man never had your hair none at all. You look like a papa, you know. You remember how you look? I can't believe. Me I just let you run the little dirty man.
True.
Remember me as I tell you? Why?
Hear me now? When I find this man, hear me look better me listen to my friend a long time. Because me would in this poverty with this little crosses boy, yeah. When me go him just watch and a peep. You don't know, say, me and the first date me and the man go pan. I would have, we believe I watch a peep. Not dirty watch a peep boy, I watch a peep.
Hey, watch man.
Jesus.
Why me no want find myself no watch man like with the
I never call my phone here now. I saw you do it. I date before this and I say, alright. I tried me I go to station. And let him say, yeah. Date before this and so what you mean?
I would have killed him before he killed me.
And like my tell come here watch me back. Yeah, hey, you know, so the boy tormented, you know. Him tormented. I really come and ask me say, I would a man there. If you meet me tell me say the man I watch you. You know him, if tell the man say no, me don't know him.
Yeah, that is right. I tell the man say a madman. You never see the man before. He unsound mind.
True,
there are
girl.
people there, you don't know them.
How me go pick up on myself? You could have pinched me. And look how long me your friend, girl.
I told me you want to thump in your back.
True, man.
But your back the too little bit then time there. You know see now you put on weight.
For real, nah?
You look good, my friend, me not tell a lie.
For true, man. For true. Sometimes I have to sit down back and look at it and say, watch it. What me they do with my life?
True. But anyways, you alright though?
Yeah, mama good.
No, so me not to stay long.
Alright, so what me I go do? Me and him will go up on the road in the week. Me go call you, come link we up.
Alright.
Take care of yourself, my friend.
Pick up yourself, you know.
And try again. Remember, try again.
Last time.
Alright, my friend. Remember, try again. Every time she come here, she want to come down my little room. Although my friend, I'm love her still now, but a little bit, man, I could get none of this. Get one glass, yeah, because I'm stressed right out that little bit. Lang para comment and Little girl, why you take so long? Where did they? Evelyn. You just come with your attitude. You matter with it now? It's too early. I mean, want me here for live code, me your auntie. Anyway, where take us so long? Where did they so long? Traffic. Okay. You know why you're here, right?
No, that's have to explain to me why I'm here.
What you mean you know why you're there? You know exactly why you're there. I'm tell you, you see for the time where you're there, remember your space. Me's your auntie and you're a child. I'm want me to get along good because I love my brother. You hear what I say? I'm gonna tell you the little chores them where you have to do around the house because you have to do chores.
Oh, what you just say?
What you mean by what me just say? You never hear what I say?
No? Obviously, that's why I'm asking what you just say.
Okay, let me repeat myself.
Yeah.
You see, in this house, you've got to do chores. You
As
understand?
what? As what? As a maid?
No, you're not my
Let me
maid.
tell you something. I say, me there my father yard. My father don't give me no chores to do. You understand? Only thing me do, I play a hopscotch and go on the road with my friend them, and that's it. So I don't know you can't talk about chores. Me don't do no
And that is a
chores.
problem. That's you're not going to be, you don't know how to be a nice young lady. Prepare yourself for tomorrow's world to get husband. Because you're not going to know to do nothing.
After
You
me
want
not
man
ready
to
for no
beat you.
husband.
You're not feel ready. But you have to prepare yourself. You have to know to wash, cook, and clean.
My father always do that for me. So I don't need to know how to do it.
Me tell you something. You see that yard there and my yard and your father yard is. So you say anything me says that goes. Because I prepare you for tomorrow world for get husband. You just want to just get up and just dip on road up here, have scratch about with friends. You don't want to learn for doing little girl? Look here, make me live in a peace. So me go teach you, because it seems like your father down there do everything and he not teach you for do nothing. So you see me, I go teach you as your auntie how for the stuff.
Am I talk to?
Yes, are you may talk to?
Auntie, as I got up in a while ago, you're talking about something you know what you say.
Is that right?
Like, you go blank, like me, you want to look up in my ears.
I see why you're not a behavior. You see, you're not a manners. You know, no, if you do nothing, and pan top it, you're not no manners. You're rank, and you can't do nothing.
Auntie, Mr. Pee bed from your two ear walls. So
listen to me.
You tell me some, you smell me?
Little girl, listen to me and listen to me good. Me, I go teach you how to do things in the house. I mean, I want a back answer. Okay? So just settle, put your bag over, see your room over there, so. Go put on your bag and go lie down and relax yourself. Because me, I go call your father and ask him one thing. Because I don't know what kind of woman he expect you to grow up to be, if you don't know to do nothing, You go on with your yaya up and down for me like me not see you. Go on, look here now. Just go in the room because I have to go talk to your father.
Never tell us I want to sleep, Auntie.
I never tell you to go sleep with him. I say, put on your stuff.
Right now up on the road, I want to go see my meat now.
See you do it, go on through there.
Where you go do?
I know that.
My father don't beat me now, so you can't beat me. Me call my father for you.
A different houses
now.
now?
Tell my father.
Alright.
Oh, alright.
See you do it.
Don't touch me.
See you do it, go on through there, America.
After I'm not afraid to go.
Go on then.
Where you go do?
I say, go on, because I go know for your father house this. It's alright. No worry yourself, because you have to come back in here. Because you have to sleep in here now. And that me know. Tell you about them, you beat me. I may call her father now. Because I don't want, no, me and I have done so early, so I make sure I call him. Because I him the problem. Teach him pitney if you do nothing. She not no behavior, she not no manners.
Hello?
Brother, you see the little ranking pitting the way you dressing up on me head when I no manners? After me tell him to go through the door, the pitty looking at me and walk through the door.
What do you mean?
Me say little pitty and no manners, so me come here and be attitude him and give me like make me know say he nah do nothing because you not tell him to do nothing down in your yard.
Alright, sister. Listen, I say, me understand. So there's a lot of things that we need to fix, so we never get to fix. And the only way we can fix them is if I tell you say more help from you for do that. So I'm gonna go tell you say me never fall short on certain things, right?
Okay.
You hear me?
Yeah, mommy, I hear you.
So all I'm saying is that give me some time. Me go talk to her and calm her down because she's going through a lot, mentally, and that I think is one of the major problems there. Yeah, my sister?
Alright.
As a man to raise a daughter, there are things where, only being strict sometimes is the only way and thing me can think of. But me can't be as strict as me don't really want to be. You understand? Because girl fit me. So that's why me I say to you, say, if you can help me out and organize up.
Yeah, me go help you out, you know, but tell her, say, no, me no nice and she not ramp me, because me bust her ass. Because you have her down there ramp with her, me not ramp with her.
Alright, which part you there?
She just cut me and tell her she tear on me here and go through the door after me tell her and go through there.
Me I call you up on your phone, no worries, sir, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, so when she come in, she'll be a changed person, just watch.
I hope so. For your sake and mine.
Alright, I think I.
Alright.
Not like a person, I feel boring. I want to go back down to my father. All the time, I see Amanda. I miss my friend, you know. Hello? Yeah, come for me?
Hello, my daughter.
Hello.
Listen. I know me might broke your body in certain things. You understand? Because based on how you behave like a picnic will always get your way. Look on the other day, me take with your phone, right? And me take with your phone, me get back to you because you start ball. But that is not how life is really. You hear me I say?
Daddy, I want to go. I can't bother with a person.
Me tell you what I'm going already because the circumstances with Pinky and Fear daughter, me just feel like you need to just spend some time and relax a
So,
bit.
I figure what I can never Pinky and in that agree.
I don't know about them. You understand? I don't know about them. Simple as that. You understand? And me now get into that again. I'm tell you already. Me talk to you already, girl. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes. So, Auntie, I will take care a little bit. Alright?
I don't want my auntie take care of me. I want to go home because this woman not go tell me about chores. Like she ever see me do chores yet?
No, she never see you, but she will see you now.
Me not do it.
Wait, what do you mean you not do it?
Me
Listen,
not
man.
doing
All you have to
anything.
do it. Alright. What is it you want for your birthday?
I don't know.
You remember say you want the new iPhone?
Yeah.
You remember that? So if you want that, work towards it and be a good girl.
No, Daddy, you did say you tell me say if me behave myself for 1 week, you go buy. I behave myself for all of the weekday.
No. Remember say them call thief by your name. You forget?
But I know me thief.
Right now.
I know me thief for money. I know me.
Know.
Me never thief no money.
Yeah, you may say don't speak what I'm speaking. That's the first thing you need to understand. Manners and respect. Especially for me. I told me I'm love her so much, you know. That's why I basically I make certain things that happen in a certain way and you feel like the boy, you know, you can have your own way about certain things. I need to understand so I love you and because I love you, that's why I set up there. Your auntie's strict, you know. You know what auntie? I don't want only a problem, but
She not stricter than me.
listen to me, man. You want the iPhone or you don't want it?
You want the iPhone?
Alright, just be yourself. So when you're going back, you say, You act as nice as possible. Say, Auntie, I'm sorry. I'll be your best niece ever in this world. Okay? You can do that.
Yeah.
If you do that and you tell me you do that, then we start the process of knowing so you start to be a better girl. Okay? You hear me say?
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah. And no bother go up there go play no hopscotch. You hear me?
Alright.
Alright, so we talk later.
Later.
Love you, my daughter.
Love your father.
Alright, anything else?
Ah.
Oh, so what you say there? Aye. You never hear me say a while ago.
Auntie,
Mama.
you feel like me there?
Me feel wonder.
Well, alright, let me tell you something. I say I'm today. I'm gonna behave myself here. I'm not gonna get no more trouble again. And anything else I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do it. You hear?
So, I want to change. Your father call you?
Yeah, my father called me.
Anyway, I tell you. And so, I tell you, say, I'm gonna need you to do little things around the house and inside of the house. So, you can start by, see right there, sweep up the little yard and so forth.
Tomorrow.
What do you mean by tomorrow?
So, as me come, me have to start the work.
Yeah, you have to start work. You have to know for the things. And that me just telling at the house.
I want this way, I'm gonna do it still in the auntie. I want the reason why.
And when you're done, you come inside. Let me show you what you're going to do inside, okay? And take your time. You know what? I'm going to go in. Make sure someone come back it do properly. Okay. I don't know what kind of pity you turn on to be now. You just say you're going to behave yourself and all of a sudden.
Auntie, you know, you say me a rake, you still a make nice. I don't like nice.
You know,
if
like
I go
nice.
make nice, I go put on the rake and nobody do it.
What you say?
But I true, my father called me again.
It's alright. Make sure I come back and do properly. You know for come here the first time you go here?
You're blind, you know, sister, you are a rake, auntie.
No, my love. Start from here, so. Cause it's some rubbish
Are you
here,
do it, auntie, or me? Let me finish.
You don't know if you do nothing, so let me tell you all for the things. You're going to start from here, so, and you're going to rake it, go back that way.
You know, say, yeah, me auntie, and me now, and my father call me
You eat
again.
already, by the way? Eat already?
No, I'm hungry.
Finish your cup of yard and come inside. Me, I look about something for you eat. Aye, me say finish.
Oh, me finish.
Finish your cup of yard and then
No,
come
but
inside.
me hungry, you know, long the traffic, they be on the road, you know, see a white scarlet, me hungry.
Come inside and get something to eat. You see, you have something else, you know, you don't want to work, but you want to eat. Wait, you can cook? Sure. But wait, nowadays. Hi. Hello. I say you want to eat and come down on my bed in a pretty bad stomach, girl.
Auntie, if I never have bad stomach from the time there, I know me got a bad stomach. Just wait, let me sleep and then we talk to you later.
I'm not sleeping time. A day now. I understand say you're on holiday. But at night you got bed in the house here. Remember you're not in your father's house. At night you got bed in the house here. You just eat it, you just come lie down so you go sleep. You will have bad stomach. It's not gonna happen.
I know bad stomach. And my father said that's the way I should go. When me eat, me go lie down and rest myself.
Right, listen to me and listen to me carefully. You're not in your father's house and feel me house you're in. So me gonna want you get up and go wash the plate them. I say you want to live little girl, you don't want to learn for do nothing. You know what? That's when you have one little boyfriend, you know how to treat him. I expect you want to do pan people boy pitney.
You know, so me feel say true, you have enough man, auntie. That's why every minute you come tell me about boyfriend. Me did tell us I want boyfriend. Me don't need no boyfriend. You understand? Every time you tell me about boyfriend, me don't want a boyfriend.
Yes, all about me have enough man.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why
enough
me I
man,
tell
that-
about boyfriend.
yes.
No, you see to the where you live and you gonna have enough man.
Me?
Cause you gonna feel like say you have to run experiment on different man. So you
Tell
gonna
me
pick up enough
father say
man.
you say. Me tell me father say you tell me to go
Girl,
take
listen
man.
to me and listen to me
Tell me
good.
father
Me
pardon.
need you to get up and go wash the plate them and straighten up the bed where you look at the bed where you sleep on.
Wamji,
You just get up, you lie down, get up, you lie down. Get up and go do something, man, and that's why it run.
Auntie, me not have no time for wash no plate right now, you know. When me eat, me rest, cool off, and then me go wash plate. As so my body work. My body can't program so. When you want to change up my body,
Take up, get out of my bed. Take up your backside, body want rest, somebody want this, somebody want do this. Get up and go wash the plate them.
and that's why I not like people yard, you know, because nobody, my father never run me out of bed, you know. And me come in your piece of broke down yard and not even look good, you come and they run me out of your bed. Your bed nigga soft.
You see your mouth, you see your mouth.
You
Get out of my
need
bed.
a new bed. You need a new
Get
bed.
up.
Because
Yes,
this bed not even
Alright,
feel
me need a new
firm
bed.
enough.
Get up, get up, get up.
Not
You gotta learn
even
to do something.
spring.
Get up, you gotta learn
Not
to do something
even
in
spring
this.
in the bed. Watch out. If me jump too hard, it pop.
You see, you little girl. You see, if I never my brother, you know, so me put you out of this a long time. Cause you see the mouth where you have, you don't have no manners. Get up out of the bed, me say go wash the plate, them.
I say me wake up, auntie. Then me go wash the plate.
Alright, go sleep in there. Go back, go sleep back off your bed.
I want to do all crosses.
Get up out of my bed and go wash the plate, them. Get up. Out of the nana behavior.
Me not wash no what?
Me tell you, no man not go want you, know. Cause you don't know if you do nothing.
Neither. You know, sister, you don't live a yard with man.
It's alright. We boss ya, such me and you. Me make sure tell your papa, cause me no want treacher. You see you, it's alright. No behavior. Ranking girl, you don't know if you do nothing more. You near me sleep, you near me sleep. You don't want to do nothing. Me don't work on a papa that. I teach you if you do nothing. And me know, so we don't grow up.
Marika, how you doing this?
You own yourself? You for you? Eh?
I have to me live and of course me see over this yard.
So,
How where you see you live?
me don't live over here. Me just come for the holiday.
So me can go on with the attitude and stuff. You don't know me?
Me know you, yes. But what? You want me for the jump up and say, hi Tagger? That's what I'm for do?
I never say but you can't get up and greet me and say what?
As what?
Because I see him school, you can't just say. See me I walk past and I see him and I heal you up.
Healings.
You know, so when I tell you the truth, when I see you at school and I like you, but I just know say you just full of attitude. And I don't want to come tell you shame me.
You like me?
Yeah, me like you, you're a nice girl.
That's nice. Wonderful.
You see what I talk about
Round
now?
of applause.
So, are your auntie there over here, sir? Oh.
My grandmother.
Oh. So you just chill out?
Mm-hmm.
We can't come chill out with you.
We'll go chill.
No, we can't talk.
I didn't count on a right as a come. You can't bother forget it up, you know.
We can't jump event.
If you want to jump and break your foot, that's your business. When you
Well,
jump
you
and
have to
break
say
your
me
foot,
go
and
broke
on
my
my
foot.
foot, and on my fault.
You couldn't just say defense each me or something.
I might need to go tear to catches.
You can't sit down outside it.
Huh?
Oh.
Where you
Just
guys
say-
sit down? You know how for bike?
No, your family yard.
Me don't know how for bike. And my grandmother live over here one all couple of one.
So, your grandmother crippled?
Yeah. He cripple. And he miserable.
Like you?
Huh?
Like you?
Oh, miserable. Go on in your yard.
The truth, me say something, I'm going to
Go on home then. Because you're
Boy,
this me.
me tell you can't just come off an attitude business.
Alright, what you want to talk about?
Boy, me tell you, say, me see you at school and me like you. You not even say if you like me back or not.
Me like you.
Just so.
Oh, you did want me to say it.
We can talk about this one next time. We can come back and check and we have a conversation about it.
You know a new movie will come up on Netflix?
Me not have Netflix.
Me on Netflix. Me go call. Give me your number now. So me can call her and we can Netflix and chill. You don't know numbers?
457 3307.
What your name again?
Toga.
Oh,
I'm name I forgot.
Black Boy.
Me not black, you know?
How you do?
A sun change my skin to me real color. Me not black.
Alright, come on run some test and see if you're genuine.
I mean, me not must genuine. Me a human. Me not fake.
Sir.
You think me a AI?
So you not run test?
Me soon check it.
You not run test? You don't
Only
know what
test me
test?
do at school.
You fool like how you don't know. Go on, when you come and show you test them here.
Hurt.
Idiot. Come on, now. Wash plate them.
Why? You on the bed. Why you love like every minute me look round and lie down? You know, say that's how your mother did get you. Cause so she come every minute she want lie down. Anyway, miss, you know what? Me I come go up on the road. And guess what? Me no want you come out of the yard. Me want you stay in the yard and clean up the house. You hear me? Are you me attack? You hear me?
You going like send me a wear earpod. Me not deaf. Me
So why you don't answer?
Me I them a answer. My mouth not have to answer, but me I the answer.
Me tell you, say, now you see, I will only reason why me I do is I come brother right about now your father stress out. Little girl, you think more me I feel go back and forth every minute?
I stress my father. My father not stress out. My father well alright.
That's how you think in your mind. Your father stress out. Cause you not behave yourself. And you not hear me talk to you. Think more me if they at it every day. Me your auntie and I love you. Anyway, see 2 crackers here and 1 half a Pepsi. You go and munch on it. What you mean?
Me no want that for it. I'm so mad.
It's alright, cause you can't do nothing to help yourself. So not eat it and see how it go work out. Me go up on the road, me soon come.
No, call my father and tell him some more. Me call my father come want something for it. Me no know what that you give me. Me know my father give you money for buy things see me. Me not ask you tell me tell her. And you go give me the man left and drink and left.
You
Go
put
give
left money,
your unborn pitney.
In the game, when you there come, you put the game money.
You don't give me money, but me know saying good as I send the money in your account or something.
You see, me not
Me
in an
nah
argument
go
with
just
you now.
send
Me
up
come go
here,
about
so.
my business. Remember, me tell you stay in the yard and tidy up the room.
As what?
It's alright.
I
Me
said
soon
you
come.
say you come back home.
Alright, you see, you know, if me come back and stay same way, you not bother eat.
Me not
Just
care.
remember, say, you know, me come back and stay same way, you not go bother eat.
Me not care.
Me run up on the road and come back. Me can't bother with the argument. Too much argue not good for me now.
And you want to argue?
Pick me later.
I don't know if you control your mouth. Oh my God, my father. I'm not getting. I'll try one more time. I'm not getting. But I look at idiot black boy the name again.
Toka.
Yes, we see him as black boy in my phone. I find a number. What happened, Toga? Good evening. You alright? Me kinda bored. You can come over yard? Yeah, come more run some test fire, you know, and see if for real. You get so much up? But you're not idiot. We don't want that there's something there for do. You're not parents. What time you say you come over here? Alright then, me there wait for you. Yeah, make sure you see as the clock strike at the time they reach over here, you know. Alright. Yeah, later.
Wait this so long.
Yeah, trying to say, I want to fall out in the yard and she don't see me. Because I tell her, say, I don't want she see me. Because if she see me now, a problem, she go say, go cuss and this and that and make him spend this a day. So things with her and she.
You make the picnic stay so you know, I'm say she not no behavior, I don't want to thump her in her mouth, you know.
She say nobody with that though. Nobody that see. So no, she stay already. Because fear vibes and fear. I can admit I'm spoil her at some time, but you can't blame me.
Of course.
Can't.
She's a girl child, you have to teach her how to do things.
But I'm my only girl child and you know she kinda unhappy because she feel like her mother neglect her and all them something there. So I just find them the basis to have to understand so she with her. But boy.
You're wrong, because I know you go take a dirty woman, breed dirty woman. I tell you about the girl, you know, and you still force and breed the girl, you know. I tell you about the girl, you still force. Same like how the picnic stay. The picnic, her blood and run right through the picnic veins. The picnic and behavior, just like the mama.
Alright, what we're going to have to do then is try to get her blood transfusion.
Hey.
You understand? And the blood transfusion, I say, is that you have to just school her and keep her in track. You know, so I soft hearted to her, that's the thing. And you know really business. You're a principal girl. You understand? You stop drinking rum?
Hello, your picnic make me drink more rum more than anything else. And if in a long while, of course me ever drink so much rum because of your picnic. I mean, I want to turn her over because everything me say she back answer me. Every single thing. What do you mean I say to her? Say, you can't just eat and go lie down on the bed. So, get up, spread up the bed, wash up the plate them. Because when they find man, you go want to experiment on man like your mama. Because remember the experiment our mama put on fire, you know.
Me know. But sister, listen to me, man. Just work with me, man. I say thank you very much. And I really appreciate it because I think about it, I say, more even left $500 with you and see if I can buy some syrup and maybe 2 more pounds of flour. I don't know if your style. But please, see if I can buy 1 pound of flour and and even 1 pound of rice and thing. Because she don't really love the flour.
So hold on there. I left where you come here, so come and rank with me. I sorry for me. Me don't want your $500. Because my man money give me money enough. Me don't want your $500. No sorry for me, brother. You out harder about $500. You take money in your pocket here? Out harder.
So yeah, just up and so.
Me not go nowhere. Are you call me and tell me to come out here so come meet you? I'm run, come here, come meet you.
Make sure say you keep a close eye upon her, you know. Because I know how she stays, she's very experimental. And when she experimental, she like walk out and, see what go on and, No, because neighbor them, me realize, say, your house them really too close to certain people. You understand? No neighbor them really.
No, neighbor, no, come over for me section right there so you see me. But me I tell you, so me can't watch her 24/7 because me have my life, you know. Remember me have my life.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so remember now a mountain before me forward it and take her back. Yeah?
Alright.
Good with you?
Yeah, man, that good.
Alright. So
By then, do me I forgot bore 2 hole in her ears because I not ramp with her.
fresh patch there.
She down at the yard, me left her down there. You know, fair style, she cock up and lie down. I told me in one good mood to them. I say, you know what, I'm going to lower her till tomorrow.
No, me I was telling her to take a rest after she eat, because me don't want she vomit. So she grew up with that kind of mentality, so she eat, and as she eat, she goes lie down and sleep.
Me ask you a question. What we there grow up and mommy feed we? She did tell we take a rest after we don't eat?
But you look on it now. Feel mama different, you know. Because the amount of chores and housework and chop this and go down a river and catch water. We went tired, you know, remember? Sometimes you have to watch when mama comes, so we take turns to go sleep. But different days now. Because, you know, who want them people to grow up the same hard life how them when grow up?
You have to make them know the hard life and know the struggles that them can come up strong. Because this little girl to all Mrs. Shagwan, you know. To all Mrs. Shagwan is either she go something that people pitney is either she go do some experiment on people pitney and take with them life or them out take with fear because she don't know nothing. She not street smart. She don't know nothing. All she know for do eat and lie down. Oh, come on, man. Me shame my you know. Me shame my you.
Alright, so so the Wi-Fi don't get to work?
Of course my Wi-Fi must work.
Alright. Just see if you can turn on it. Or me forget saying on TV down there. Ah, Jesus. Alright. I'll try to work out sitting on this weekend and see what I go on. But if you don't work out, just go and do what you do. I'm thank you again, my sister.
Alright.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me I go down now because your picnic supposed to down there create animosity down there, so me I go down. Because as long as she not see me now, I'll be a problem.
Alright, thanks
so
again.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Me call you. Call me for nothing, yeah?
And remember, when you take up our next woman, not take them the Jezebel there. Alright.
I mean, man. Very nice, do. I will do a long more come over there.
What do you mean by that?
Long time more come over there.
So where you want to come over here a long time?
No man, it's too many bread, so I have that ear thing, but I don't know how in I place stay. You know what I mean?
You not nobody over here. You're not supposed to want to come over here. I don't want to over here.
Don't say that, man. Everything work out between me. I have you over here now. Alright?
Yeah, I'm over here. You know, this me now.
So you don't sit down and turn up?
I don't want to sit down.
Say you laugh, so.
You can't laugh. You know what I'm
saying? So you say I watch a movie?
Oh, I never watch my movie. I want to do some test for you.
Test? Yeah, the practice for school?
No man, I want to see how would I react with certain things.
I mean react with certain things. Yeah, that.
So then I come.
React with certain things. Yeah,
my friends all run for my auntie this. But wait no. My father used to tell me, say, when my grandfather drink and come in, he used to beat my grandmother. So.
Cause I room.
I don't know if I room. I that I want to find out today. So.
If I room? So why have you do that by me?
Because I want to see what you go do.
Go get the dog, you can get the dog. And look if you bite it.
I dog me again. Come.
Who you call dog?
Come, you want me? You want me down?
Yeah, me
yes, you like me down. Come here if you drink this and prove your love to me. But drink and fall like.
But me love you.
Drink and me, you know if you love me.
You so mine.
Everything. You don't love me. I tell my father.
Me have a drink of whole life.
Yes, as me go tell my father say you come over here. I tell my auntie too. You have to drink coffee.
Why you play too rough?
Drink it, so I'll stop going, so now. Just stop a break. I'm sure you come. Up and down, up and down. Up and down. Drink.
I see you play too rough, man. You lick me back for.
Hush, man, come drink again.
Me can't drink no more. Me throat a bone that is no man.
I'm a rubbish here.
No, sir. Me never drink rum so strong, you know.
No, man.
No, I'm drink.
No, I'm only no.
You make it like me a baby.
Come now.
I'm drinking, me a drinky. Jesus Christ.
Tastes good though. Come, look a bit more left. Come. And also you're full. How you feel?
Can't drink no more.
Come on. Drink no come with me.
I can't drink. You just have force to put rum on me, so I can't drink no more.
Come man, taste look a bit more. How you feel?
You know, say, you see you?
Come again. Sit down there. Good boy. You know something else you love me, na Jesus Christ. How you feel?
I pay too much, see you? I got me ready to tell you about this. What kind of taste that?
Yeah, they look so.
Oh. I saw my band. You show me 2 fingernails.
Two what?
2 fingernails I show me and a finger.
Sit down.
You see?
Hold on, no more here.
Must freeze.
Yeah, freeze. I'm gonna put this over your neck and come.
It can't hold.
One to your man. See? Same thing. I that my grandfather do my grandmother. You see you go to lick me a while ago?
Because you lick me. What? Why?
I'm gonna tell my father. Jesus Christ.
Aye. Hello. I want me say I come out here, so I look a while ago. I'm gonna bring me a place. No, Miss Mattis, so me say I come out and come through my door a while ago. Are you me a talk to? No, man. You say this a pizza when I buy it for you, not even eat your bag get. A man, me say you come out and my house a while ago.
Me ask for pizza. If you gone all day, I miss you when I'm my school friend. Them, I must talk to my school friend. I make them come over here.
Then me never tell you, say you not bring nobody in and you not left the house. So you mean me gone all day?
The house, I'm not left the house. My friend come look for me. Is that crime?
Your friend? Where your friend come look for you for? Why you bring your friend in my house to come look for you?
We do some experiment.
Jesus Christ, what you mean by experiment?
They do something upon him.
What you mean you do something upon him? What you do upon him?
Things.
Things like what?
We don't have to explain on me.
Jesus Christ, no, me have to. Look up, girl, where's the while ago? You not have to do what? You see, because your poopa now beat you, you feel like send me your size. Me your size?
Size in our shoes in the auntie.
So all along you still have face with me? Eh?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're on that knee, sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your past. Now make you pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day. Only you can make it good.
Oh, so you're asleep. You can't go and sleep. Because now your mind thinks that today going to be a peaceful day for you. Not going to be a peaceful day, but go and sleep.
Data.
Yeah.
Everything good? Hmm? Hello?
Hello?
I want you.
Daddy, Auntie beat me.
What?
Auntie beat me with board.
What? Beat her with what?
She beat me with board. She up here abuse me.
I lie you tell me. Last man, I joke you make me daughter. Eh?
I joke me, I make a joke. I joke me attack.
No. You mean to tell me say, see me sister beat her with board? What she say she do?
She said she straighten me out or something like that, and she beat me. And she know I'm me no friend, and she know I'm go out the door. She just want to walk me out, like me and me do.
Marika, you sure what you're saying is true?
Yes, every minute she tell me about man.
What do you mean tell about man? She tell about man? As in what? If you have man?
Yes, if you have man.
No, I lie you tell. Tell me say I lie you tell.
Let me tell her true.
So which part she now? Put her up on the phone.
She do the year she got on the road and me one day here.
You wanted it?
Yes.
What do you mean by you wanted it?
And me one day house, she not their house.
Marika, make sure say what you're telling me is true, you know, and it's not something you make up out of one dream. Come remember last time you get up one morning and I said this and said to me said that. And then you say, oh, I dream you when I dream.
And I dream, I choke, me attack. I'm gonna eat from yesterday.
What?
Me not eat.
Alright, my dad, know yourself. Me, I come down there. And just because I'm there, I start to work a business. Me, I come down there very, very soon. You hear me say?
Alright.
I can't. I never seen if you go one place, see, somebody go abuse you. Eh? Oh, she rude, so. Hey. So tell me something. She bring no man come there?
Me not see no man come here, but she always a go left me one in her house, always at night time.
I really want to say to myself, say a joke you make, but me realize you're serious because you sound like a ball, you're a ball and you're not ball. Eh? And when you do ball, there's something serious going on. Me I come, I come, yeah?
Alright.
So nothing that you can eat? No biscuit or no crackers or
No,
nothing
yesterday she did give me one drink and leave Pepsi and crackers and me no want that. No, nobody eat and leave.
Drink and left Pepsi. I'm on the face, man. It's alright. Me no never do. Know yourself. Sometimes you ask people to help them, but they am dumb. But me I come, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, my daughter. Later, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Boy, this a shepherd door, boy. No lamb to put us away from it.
Wait, where there, son?
Yeah, boy. Let's say I shot my come.
You know, say for the better, if we're the wrong body, you find it.
No, me not drink rum.
And we are there,
And water me come by.
And water you come by. Me know you too well.
Me not drink rum, man.
When since?
And water me come by, girl. Auntie, you mean everybody rum body, you there? Eh? Why you take out yourself and put me in it?
Girl, I too away.
No, me only drink when me stress.
Me stress out.
You drink when you're not even stressed.
Girl,
anyways.
Girl, me stress out. You know, so one night when I left and go home, my niece carrying man at the house.
Huh?
My niece carrying man at the house.
See that the girl?
I say, I give her some lick.
Yeah. Cause so me know you know run pitney joke. So we say whip her ass.
I give her some. I'll fight little girl want fight me now.
I lie.
I'll fight little girl want fight me now. I have nothing but her. Me go for the belt.
No sir. I saw when they have man they ain't going enough. I saw when them a take man I saw they ain't going enough, my friend. Anytime them a take man, I saw they ain't going. You should have flat her.
And you go tell me about how me gonna road from morning. And she tell her by herself, what if our friend come over? She should do experiment on him.
What kind of experiment? The only experiment me know. I when you have a man in the house and you do. That is the experiment. So
no,
that you do.
I tell you, if you see for your mama, you see for me brother, for your mama did run a piece of experiment for me brother. If me never go up, they go catch her. Him would there today, dear.
So peace. So like the mother, like the daughter. But anyways. So me not even know say I have niece. How are niece?
What you mean? So you never want to Jacoby, you know, so my brother.
Jacob. Hold on. Yan Jacoby. A brother?
Yeah, I'm a brother.
I know what the blouse and skirt this.
Girl, I want.
Me never know say you and the people they are family. Girl, me not like a little girl where say niece, you know. Me not like the little girl because she gon' thief me money. And me have to go over Jacob house for him. And when me go over there, she and me daughter start fight. And then Jacob come back at me yard. And me have to have one long spoon and one long fork and juke him out of my house. Because I don't like Jacob and him pitney. I don't like your niece and your brother.
Hold on. So your house little girl coming and come thief the money?
Yes! He come thief me money. And my daughter like a fool. They there and with her and thief the money with her too. Because I damn an idiot. But anyways, I should have killed it. Anyways, what I say is, nobody here have my business, you know, cause hot girl like me. Anyways, you know, I say really and truly, I want money me come borrow from you. Cause here what go on now? Here what go on, girl, if you calm down. Here what go on. I want money me come borrow for pay for the hairstyle I do. And plus the day after, my little daughter, she go do a hairstyle too. So me have 2 hairstyles to pay for. So, me I beg you lend me one money. Listen, Now look for me, so. Because your niece thief me money from out of my house. And me not use against if you say you have to give me it back. But me just come to you now say me have borrow something from you.
When we tell you something right about now, me not have no money because you girl, every minute you want to do ear. Every second you do ear, so girl, me not have no money. That's if I want me buy the piece of wig I put on my head. Up to now me can't change it because my man not get paid till end of month. So me not have no money. And by the way, me not want you, not because you know, me not want you take no liberty of my niece.
So hold on.
Things might be. I don't sure she a thief. So me go take a test later.
Hold on there. So you say you have your niece and your yard. What to your father? What do your father?
The father did just explain to me so one situation did occur and he might beg me to keep her for some time. That is why me have her.
Okay, and the father never really explained the situation to you. The situation was she thief me money, so you have to send the penny up your yard for your cons to the penny. So here we go on. Mama, if you want for me your friendship to broke today, don't give me the money. Mama, me don't know you come and tell me about how me know why you take no liberty at your niece. Which part of big woman like me go take liberty at your niece?
That is why
your niece is thief. She's a thief.
Look here.
And you see if you pick up fear, me might start call a thief too.
Look here. Me not say she not do it and me not say she do it. Cause remember, I wasn't there. So that's why me say, when me go up at the yard, me go and see if the little girl thief or not. Cause me know her mama a thief. So probably running her blood.
So hold on, where say? You can't lend me money.
Girl, me not have no money.
You not have no money?
I don't have the money if me dey have. Me not have money.
When last I see Jacoby? When last I see him?
About 2 weeks ago.
Huh?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? Okay, so a problem will not look then. A problem will not look. I'm going to show Jacoby sitting. I'm going to show your niece sitting. I'm going to show you something because guess what? You see, if you don't have no money to lend me, you don't have no money to lend me, and your niece thief me their money from out of my house.
God. Me your friend, you know, and me your friend cool. I'm not with the foolishness.
Mama, where you come so far? Shop come tomorrow.
I shop me come, but you see her, so you know my friend.
Me and your friend today, tomorrow, but not forever. Go and go buy what you buy. Go on, see shop me.
So you drop it now.
Come now, me not too why I'm business. Go and buy what you buy. It's a boost me I go buy. Come now, go on.
Alright, me I go buy you one drink.
Huh?
Me I go buy you one drink. Yeah,
get the drink.
You just tell me say I want you not drink. You get terrible, so girl.
Get the drink because me go show you so me don't really want to drink. You just put it back for you. The water me want. Come.
Serve. Why you have something else? I can't manage you. Serve. So we get hello. You there so all long. Where people in the West nice shop?
Me don't know where they in there.
So you tell me to go order sit now, you don't know what people there.
Me don't know where they in there. Girl, call the people them not serve, so serve again.
Look here now.
So serve again.
Serve one special. Hey, look, this special up there, so see my phone ring, so take up a special.
Hello? Me just tell if you look, you know.
Hello. Brother. What you mean by? Look here now, look here. You look liar pitney. You know what little girl do? You not even call me now and say what little girl do. You come and jump on me. But oh me up there abuse your pitney. Look here now, sir. Don't make me forget put on my mad cap. You ask your pitney what she do? Me come see the pitney with man in the house. What you mean by, if you know me I talk about something, I hear that. Me say as me I come, so at the man, me see I run through my door. When I go in, I say to her, say, why you bring man in my house? Why the man in my house? You're not our school friend and me gone left her and she bored. Look here now. You see you're pitting and mad me now? What you mean by she not eat? Who not get nothing to eat? Look here, you see if you come up on me, you come check me. Come up on me, you come check me and tell me fat of me years. Right. say right about now, my voice broken on me, I tell you now. You don't know, sir, my brother called me on the phone a while ago. The little pitney go call him and tell him one bag of lie. Say, oh, me up there, abuser, and me not get enough food as bad as things might be, you know. My brother don't give me $1, but you know me cook food at my yard, don't it? And the little girl go tell the man, say, me not get enough for them, you know, I'm an abuser, you know.
Listen, we are running the blood pressure too much. You see, Jacob, I idiot. Jacob no sense. Film sense is then gone. Jacob dons. A real dons that brother. You ever hear a song with Sealer? You ever hear a song with Jamal sing 3-9 fully done? A Jacob that. A man no sense in a man, you idiot in a brother. A man they run up blood pressure like you idiot. Lit the pitney. A lot of people want to in my hospital come and contract about tell like fire. I don't give no food neither, you idiot.
You see, I want him in a like with you know. It's like say, I saw you eat me, I want me to go to prison. Eh?
Oh dear me, Peter.
You know what me I go home. Cause the little girl let me I forgot to go deal with her. So me I go up. So a little more me here we talk.
Crosses. Move. So imagine. You cock up us up on bike. Are you feeling hungry, yard? No, tell me what can really go so. Dirty thinking workless man. Tell me what can really go so.
So what about you? You are rum, what you drink?
Excuse you?
The money where you take and wait no, let me talk. The money where you take and buy rum. What make you take and buy sit and give it for eat?
$350, $350 can't buy nothing.
That can save that could have buy one little box sit now one little sit and give it for eat.
You know say I want dirty man.
I mean me
A $350 for box food. You know she small box food. If you don't have a $750, it don't make no sense. And plus you want drinks for drink. So what you tell me say?
No.
Idiot man. You know say that's the reason make me left. And that's the reason me left, you know. Because you see fear level where you want me to live up to, that could never work.
What kind of
Never.
What kind of level you talking
And that's
about?
why I left your yard because you walk list. You don't want nothing for picnic. I chat out alone like everybody here. You walk list.
So hold on, wait no, so hold on there.
Mine up in junk crow.
Hold on, what do you when time me I walk? What do you when me they walk? And me take 100,000 go buy picnic sitting all kind of sitting. No, true me the on my face now, that's how you deal with me. You say you know say you no good. You know you know one good man.
It's just $100,000 or $100.
100,000. What do you when time?
With the $100 I dash back in your face.
100 and that me a talk about. Me not talk about that. Me a talk about when it pitney, when everything did the good. That me a talk about. No a bad time, that's how you deal with me.
When I'm gonna do how much that day?
Yo, things right now, things just rough out. That's why hard time, you know, man.
3
But
weeks.
look how you deal with, man.
3 weeks. You give me 100,000. From this you never look back. I'm on how much now?
Hold on. Look.
I'm on how much now? You know, say, walk. Jesus Christ, me can't believe. More somebody call the police and lock them.
Yeah, let me talk. Yeah, let me talk.
You know, a dirty man like you, me can't believe.
Yeah, give me a break and let me talk, or what?
Talk. Anything where you chat and make no sense.
A 50-50, no, a 50-50, you know. You come a road that don't talk about if it's not dead for hungry and look on you. Look, you know what money you take, how much money it take for to put in that there?
Put in what?
Look at tattoo.
I'm a man do it, don't do it.
That me a talk about.
Don't do it.
And then something me a talk about.
I see it. I'm a man. I help take care of
Hold
your
on.
kidney.
No, hold on, man. What do you make you 20,000? Where you take your hand do with it? I bet, where you take your 20,000 and do?
And shit out it. Yes, I that me take your hand do. Dirty man, dirty stinking man. Hey, me not like you. Me not like you. I remember say your family them there tell us say he pick me a jacket. And that's why I don't like you. And you believe them and say you don't want to spend no money for your daughter. Eh? Me don't know make this a little girl come favor you because you're not good looking. Me say come like a bag of the bag my face and me alone with you because you don't look good at all. You don't look good. I me not like you neither. So me don't know what you do up there. What you do up there? I watch, okay. I watch me. I watch you really, I watch me.
Pinky, you give me a break when me talk. You gotta let me talk or you just always out. You hear me I say, man.
Talk.
99.9% of the time, me not see what me not do. And you always have to look like me not do nothing. I know say that's why me left. That's why me left yard in cause God know Pinky. Me no want do, me no. You see people like innocent people go to prison, you know. You come on road and look how you deal with me on roadside and you tell me say me nah. You what look what you have in your the money you use and go buy the rum and drink. What make you take you go buy something give you? Eh? The money you use and put in the hair, this a long hair, the long hair, yeah. What make you
Stop touch me here, my man. And listen to
yo,
me.
listen to me, man.
No, listen. I run me and watch where people buy me a while ago. Eh? Oh, so what you trying to say? You live a dearful life. You want a breakthrough.
What kind of dearful life?
No. I want breakthrough. You want? I want breakthrough.
No worry, say, no worry about me youth, man. Come just wait for the right thing happen for me come help for sort out do what me if you do. No worry yourself. No worry about my youth, man.
Crosses. You hear me I say? Your pitney and his friend thief me money. So me want to know how it a go. So me glad me see you because every dime in your pocket me want to know. So take out it. Take out it.
You know, the last time me, no, wait no. The last time me look on you and give you $50,000. You know, you think you not tell me? You think you pitney not tell me what you do? You take it buy clothes, hair, nails, and go on a party you and your friend them. Me no figure that you know. Me no trust you. Me no trust you. You think you're good somebody?
The whole world knows me not seeing. The whole world knows what I say. Listen to me. Listen to me, crosses. You see the money? And the money me come for defend. The money me come for defend. Because your pin is a thief just like you.
No worry yourself, man. Go and talk.
You hear me I tell you?
Go and talk. No worry yourself. Go and talk.
I see the bike where you already for down pan. We all know say you have 600 up your yard. It's a tricky crowd because if you don't feel say no money. You have money. You have money. You must be walk and thief people things.
What you talk about?
You know what? Me stop in talking here because me don't want to have to boom one stone in your head. Alright, me don't have to boom one. You know what? You see when you see me on the right, go on the left. So when you see me on the left, you go on the right. Me don't not chat things with you.
But now you come here so.
Me don't chat things with you. Wrong throw.
Why?
Jacoby, come here. Good evening. Good evening. You know, say, we want to talk to you. You know, so we are two big people, right? Man to woman. You know, say, other day when I come down here with my daughter, very, very unexpected, and me deal with the situation one way. And you know, it always takes a bigger person to apologize, right? So, I am very sorry about what happened. And here I go on. I'm not going to say your daughter a thief and your daughter not a thief, but how this thing come up suddenly with a fear pre that away there. You understand? Because remember, you know, pitney are pitney. Big people are big people.
But that
You
was
understand?
but that was what I was trying to say to you. And you never really understand, say, you know, the whole thing is a misunderstanding or something have to go wrong in one way where, you know, we have to understand what really go wrong. You say you lose your money and you understand the rage. When you lose your money, and things. So you're gonna really be angry. You understand me? I say, so that was the thing. So when I come over there and me feel away, cause you use the thing man run me down like say me a thief.
Yeah.
Me in a sit, remember say me in there, you know. You understand? So me understand certain things, but you know, things so me understand it. And being that we go through that part there, you know, me think you never really forgive me or the situation when it happened, you know, which was a next misunderstanding. I never really see it that way. So yeah, me glad say you calm down now, you talk. I drink, you wanna drink yourself?
No, I don't drink. But anyways, Jacob.
Jacoby.
Alright, Jacoby, I am really sorry and I want you to forgive me.
I forgive you, man. And I like say, you know, something where you ain't shoot me or shot me or you knock
Yeah,
me
but
out like you didn't try before one time.
really and truly, would I like you forgive me about the money. Please. Because me have to pay for the hair. And if me not pay for the hair, me going to want big trouble with people. I'm not really want to reach this. So.
How much money you lose?
20,000.
Huh?
20,000.
So she take 20,000 out of your house?
Yes, 20,000.
All
Just
right.
like that.
Alright. What I'm gonna say to you now is that me not have 20,000 for me now, but me can maybe give you 10,000. And you work out where you want to work out, you know? How that sound for you?
Alright, that sound good, but just no say me go come back for the next 10.
No,
because
but
listen,
if mama say both are we lose, you know. So you mean so me alone for lose that situation?
no, I did not say
You
that.
say no,
Me I say me have to give the woman the $20,000. So me will give her back, but right now me have to get the 20,000. And you know say me in one situation where me don't know where me will get the next 10,000 from. You understand? So me have to come to you back for the next 10,000.
Alright, I'm gonna say still, we still work out. Cause right now me have a different kind of mates for me right now. Cause one different situation arise now, and me have to go deal with it. I mean, I want sun go set and me not reach up other place because, you know, circumstance I've been said before. See the 10,000.
Alright. So me just me see next week me just come for the next 10,000. Cause me really know a situation right now where
But call me
only
before.
God.
But call me before you forward. Because when you come, I'm expecting it. Because I have things to deal with. You remember my daughter, and she's basically, you know, cost the man, and like right now, me have to go back here and carry back on me yard. That's on our next expense.
Alright. Bye. Do what you have to do here. Thank you very much.
Alright, no problem. Yeah.
Dear, me need that you. So you feel I'm like you. Me not like a dirty man. Rubbish.
Beautiful girl. What say you wicked and lie? Who you wicked so? Where you call your papa that call me name to your papa for?
What I mean, me supposed to call my father. Me have a phone, so me call my father. Huh?
So you mean me have you up here dead for hungry?
Yeah, you give me nothing for yesterday. Yesterday you give me half a bag of crackers and some drink and left juice. And me if you drink that, you come in with pizza. And nobody give me pizza. So me no hungry, me no nobody. And then you beat me pan top of it. Are you wicked?
Let me ask you a question.
Are you heartless?
Me no come see man in my place and you have face to me. That's how me beat you.
You see man in your house? Which part of the man?
As me boss the kind of man I come through my door.
You see when in the inside of the house?
Me say as me boss the kind of the man I come through my door.
You say you passing man out the road. Now you say you see man boss door and come out of your house.
I don't even agree today because you see, me I go pack up your things and I make your dirty pooper come
Hurry
for you.
up, come on, go pack them up.
Take care of me. You see you could girl and you go tell your father about me at your man.
Then every time you know the time about man. And I talk about my mother skin out her so every minute they tell me about man. Yeah, man this, man no want you. If you don't know if you do this, man not go want you. And man this. Yeah, no man you did that tell me about a woman.
But me did give one?
No, me never tell my father say did I give man. Me tell my father say every minute you tell me about man. That's what I said to my father.
Me realize that you are just like your little dirty mama. You got talk about
Thank
your mama.
you.
Say your mama do that, say your mama do that.
Thanks.
You are just like your little dirty mama.
Thanks.
Because I see where she used to go on with my brother, you know.
Thanks.
But you see through my brother, him and go with an ambition.
Yeah.
You know, me go do not worry yourself. Me go in the house to pack up your things. You can't go on.
Come
Your papa come here, no?
Yeah, make it come. Come on now.
Come here, you go.
We are go for
Look,
close
girl,
them.
you see how you're wicked. I want you to stay far from me. Me go pack your bag. And you still tell something.
Come on, we are pack your bag. Come on.
Pack up your something there, because you see, you're not going to chat things with you. Where you go?
I'm not going to do dirty things, you know. So I think I'm going there, my father come for me, you know. Huh? Nobody does so long, man. It's no longer difficult. Daddy!
Right pan time.
She a pack up my things, them, and that's me entire house.
You see you little girl. You're not a boy, you know.
You're really aggressive and abusive to my daughter. You see, you may lose off of you, you know. Me lose off of you because I know so I see you state the
I
truth.
tell her, Daddy, you can be up here for abuse me.
Me ask if you help me and my daughter, and you up here come beat her. Eh? Her bag is up.
Yeah, that's your
man. You see? And you pick me alone, me not like her. And you me not like her, and me come out of me yard, you pick me.
I know that.
No behavior, you know, after you don't teach a little girl the right way. You take up a worthless woman, you breed a worthless woman, and you get a worthless pick me.
Like
come
you.
out of me yard, what on worthless I like.
Like
You see you? Answer from today, me and no more brother, you know. Because you're a jacket.
And you more for be jacket.
Okay, go there and argue with me.
Hold on.
I tell my father head straight
Wait,
and
wait,
feel
wait.
wrong.
Go there and argue with me.
Be quiet. You see you? When me finish with that statement now, me lose more than 15,000 right now. Give me 15,000.
Yo, give me 15,000.
Give me back me 15,000 no.
After 4 weeks shop, yeah, I never give me
4 weeks.
$1.
And 1 week.
You can't count.
You see the money, the 15,000 they owe you, you pick in me too. You don't come out of me.
I'm not eat for 2 days.
You see, you come out of me.
I'm not eat for 2 days and you can talk about me in about 15,000.
Me look for your face for the last time because you can't call me or come back on my yard. You see you? You let me down. That me I tell you. You see your face? Everything good,
you
man.
Let me down
me
a
a
long
jacket.
time.
Are you a jacket? You never know. Mama never tell you. Eh? I'll answer bite me. Mama never tell you. Eh? Mama never tell you what go on.
No?
Eh? A barrel they roll along hill come down. You never know. A barrel they find in a. That's a problem. That's why you can't stop drink rum. That's why you're barren. That's why you can't have picnic. And because me have my picnic, one picnic, you jealous and vexed with me.
Me say same like how you have jacket and so she have jacket because I give jacket and for your picnic. And the man Errol picnic so she favor Errol.
Which
you know,
Errol?
you know no sense, you know?
Which Errol we are talking about?
Yeah, Errol down the road the animal so. A theme picnic that look at
Errol what you in love of and Errol what you can't get. Errol what?
Me.
Hey me. You must have what Errol when run out and car. You run to me and say, brother. I'm here for you go on like me an idiot and Errol fling stone and then bust me head. Just because of you.
Daddy, come on. Daddy, come on.
You see you?
Yeah, we are so...
Look on her. Yeah, look on her.
Look at time.
You nah sit back. This a picnic.
How we call this?
How we do? You're really aggressive.
Don't leave no man.
I say push me on my head, Daddy, and you not do nothing.
No, me not gonna beat her. It's alright. She good, man. She
Let
good.
me out.
Come, you come.
Where?
Where?
You are jacket, your picnic, jacket, so no ambition. You don't woman and breed, woman and breed, fair and your picnic. Where?
Well, listen. Talk to me.
Daddy, I'm tired, more and warm.
Before I reach, I want to know this. See? Tell me the truth. Look at me, I'm talking to you. Why you love laugh? You think I joke business now? You take everything for joke, star. Listen, stop spin. put your hand to your side and relax. What she's saying is the truth about man coming at the yard. Hey.
Daddy, listen what me
Before
I go
you
say
talk,
now.
don't come in when you go up, so yeah, make up story.
Me nah
This
make
is
up no story.
not the time to
Listen
make
now,
up.
Daddy, me tell her what happened now.
Stop it, laugh. Take,
So
it,
they-
take a smile off your face. Yeah, talk to me now.
Alright. So me and the boy guy see him school. So in the past defense were there, he see when he say, hey Marika, me say, hey, and he say, I like me say, me not like, me say, me like you too, and me say, man do some experiment.
Jesus Christ.
So,
What do you mean say you like him too?
and
Eh? What do you mean say you like him too? So you agree to? Alright,
Daddy, listen
confess
what
that.
me say now, you just get aggressive and me not, and you not listen what me say, you feel listen what me say, man. So, me call him and me say, you remember me did tell us how we go Netflix and chill?
Jesus Christ! You breathe? You laugh about?
Daddy, when you go and stuff, and listen what me have to say now.
You breathe now?
No. So when he come over yard now, me see Auntie have some rum on the dresser, so me give
You
me
drink
rum.
rum
Jesus Christ, Daddy, now listen to me. Daddy, listen to me, son.
You told me that grandpa before.
So me tell him say, my father tell me say, my grandfather used to drink rum and come in and beat my grandmother. So me give me rum and tell him to drink it and me box him in the face. And he raise him and our family. So me say, you see. Me tell my father say you raise it and our family. And then Daddy me put one hang around his neck.
You hang him! That is it, my girl. Hang him!
And
you hang
then
him!
in the drunk, you know, Daddy, in gone, in the drunk, and me a fling and say one thing, mother, so me tell him to go in the yard. Daddy, nothing happen. Me just did a so experiment pan him, to see.
You ask me if you can say linoleum, because if you can say linoleum is a dunce, but you know.
Daddy, me
You
never
understand me? I
asked
say?
him the one day.
You ever
Me
ask him that?
forgot, catch you in the drunk.
So why she a go at you so?
The woman come in and give me some lick. And he get piece stuff for me and he nobody give me got my bed for a hungry belly.
You go man now, man. You go man now.
Me not eat for yesterday, no, Daddy. Me not eat nothing today, me not eat nothing. Right now, I'm hungry.
Me go get you some food, my daughter. I'm proud of you. You hear me? Daddy proud of you.
Right
me think
now, me not even know if that the people they want to see me again.
Which people?
The boy.
Some people want to see you again. Oh, based on, sir.
Yeah.
Oh. You're right, man. You can go on. As long as you don't call police on you. As his mother and call she and tell her say him drunk. Ah, that's mercy.
Alright, rum me give me now.
Have you tested me? Well, me now tell you say you should have do it. Because me now going to be a dirty parent. Because it can happen to him now. But what me I say to you is that you have to know, say, you see the boy and girl situation? No. It's a no. You understand? Alright, you see when you, after you're married, then you can't see one boy. But
After
not before
married,
you're married.
Daddy?
Yes. Then you can't see boy.
Alright,
a boy is
then.
important in your life. Set your life first. You understand? So when you're married now, you can't see him when you're 40. You understand? At best time that when you reach 40, you live your dreams. So you have everything. You have your house, you have your car, you have your business, you have your everything. You understand? So you're safe. So follow me and you will be safe forever.
Daddy,
Alright?
so your mother did tell us you're not for have girlfriend till you're 40?
For my situation kind of come.
Oh, ready? So you know what tell me?
Me tell you when we want how old you be now? You're 15.
I'm 15.
So when you're about 29, me can tell you everything. You understand?
29.
29.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah? Alright, come here. I'm proud of you though, yeah?
Yeah.
Come. Watch your footsteps.
People eat now, got the crosses down the middle of the sea. Hello? Who? Hey, slow down. Look here now, miss. Me never call your son over my yard. So what you mean by that? Oh, that have nothing to do with me. Listen to me now. Just listen to me. Me go give you our father number. From the day me born, me never breathe. You know me never breathe from the day me born. So me know what kind of argument is you come to me with. Miss, I'm sorry for whatever happened to your son, but look here. Me go give you the little girl father number and you call them. Cause me no have no money. How much bag of drip? 3 bag of drip. So what should do to him, sir? Hey. Alright. No bother with it. Me understand your pain. And me go do. No worry yourself. Me go send the father number for your WhatsApp and you call him right away. Cause I don't know how this little pitney and what she say she do and what she not do. Yes, I always when I give him the number, you explain and tell him who you be. And then you tell him the situation and send the prescription them on him phone. If not, you go down to the station because I'm done with them. My jacket, that's not my brother. Okay, I'm going to send you the number. Sorry for whatever happened to your son. Yeah, but me have nothing to do with my piece never burn grass on the day me born. Alright. Right away. So them my crosses and problem. Make sure send him number go give the woman him told that man him take me. Alright. You never say nothing like this. You just say little girl come like a mama. I same thing the mama do to your papa, you know. Hey, so me want him, man. Me want him, you know. But you see sometimes you have to let them make them both them to them. Alright. I got in my food.
Finally, everything is back to normal now. But it's been not easy at all. Yo, chip off of the block. Jesus, that's it. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, man, and my daughter, that man. Woo! How up now? Oh. What you say a while ago? No, ma'am. No. Me not responsible for certain things. Remember, I said there are kids, you know. When you pick them, who you think you're shouting at? Huh? Who you think you're shouting at? When you pick me, when left your yard, when know which party I go? Me not responsible for no doctor fee. What you talking about? What? So if me want bail, what for do? Miss me think, alright, listen to me. Me not think you understand what you're saying, you know. Me not think you understand what you're talking to. Yes, I understand they are kids. Yes, they are kids. So what? Police? No. All right, listen. All right, calm down. Right, listen. You don't need to call no police when it comes to this situation. You understand? This is not a police situation. You need to talk to me properly because you're talking. A matter of fact, who gave me number? No, it's not my sister. Yeah, but anyway, you have to just deal with it until further notice. But for right now, I can't do nothing to help you, man. Yes, and I'm sorry about your son, but you have to just deal with your... I say, don't raise your voice at me. That me say to you. You raise your voice. You think you're talking to a child here? Huh? How dare you? You have no manners. What I mean? You don't call me... What? Alright. And that's what you say? Alright. You know what? Call the police if you want to call the police, because this is nothing for... I did nothing wrong, you know. It's a situation where you don't know your son there, and that is... Miss, so if me want belch, where me fi belch? Eh? Alright, yeah man, do what you have to do. That's simple that.
Hello.
Good day.
Good day.
Mother send me to you say she want back her money.
Not you, yes, talk again. How much money?
Mother said she called you already and talked to you about things, so she send me to you say she need the money because she tell you about over 3 days now and she not hear nothing from you, so she want back her money.
It's either you lick your head or your mother lick her head. Me the call over my yard?
Me no jump on me and come over here. Me hear my mother say. My mother say, tell the lady next door say she want back her money and make she come over there can cause no problem.
Tell her say, miss say she must come. Tell her say, go and go tell her mama say, miss say she must come. Cause me never send come call in for me house now. Me no know how you reach in here. But your mama said, hey, tell her one thing, mama said me there saw we punish her. She must look a boy, come on to me and go we are go. Right her face.
Mother say me never live without the money. Me want the money to carry back.
Look a boy, you not hear me say?
One year yard. My mother wouldn't send me free money if you never have it.
Right, here. Where your mother? Where your mother work? Me not in a business.
My mother said me never left without the money. So give me money, me go on, please.
Me go ask that.
See this, true.
Me I work with your mother? Your mother work with me?
My mother send me to your film. Stop going like
which money?
Talk about no misunderstandings. Give me money, me go on.
Okay, your mama lick up on it. Go on over your yard, little boy. Go on over your yard.
Mother call it. Mother only didn't call it 3 days ago.
Yes, but me give her one number for call. So why she send you to me for money? One thing number I tell her for call. Eh?
She send me to you or you give her the money.
I mean, tell your mama, say, from the day me born, me never have no pitney. So you try go on here, go tell your mother. Look at boy, you insist. So your mama say, give money, somebody take out my money, give me money. You know, I'm going to put on super.
So me not like it, but just give me money and I'm going in an argument because I don't want my mother come cause no problem over here. And if she come over here fight, she go fight.
Yeah, man, go and go tell her to come, because I fight. Me love fight. You should never hear about me. And me a fight it. Tell her mama to come. And you know what? Matter of fact, me not bother go nowhere. Me put on back my bag. Tell her mother send me over here, she must come. Because I slip bad.
So me tell her me want, you know.
Yeah, man. Go and go tell her mama send me over here, me not go nowhere. She must come.
Miss, give me money, please.
Yeah, which money? What are you? Outside and bread, okay, money. Give us money. More, yeah, mama. Where? Yeah, mama, walk this life.
on the year. I see me away from to come, so we can carry the money come give you. Miss, you have to wait, you know.
Hello.
Hold on.
Hello. How many you can't in my house?
I mean, I host hot.
In my house hot. Why every time you choose to come out as so?
But
A money what you look? A money want to see you?
How man I go see me, mommy? Be honest now. How man I go see me? See the whole of the place. Right now, it's like a pen in her. And from my friend gone, me not left yard, you know.
Your friend. I never tell me about your thieving friend, because you're not a thief. I tell me about your thieving friend. Hey, me tell you. Anyways, it's all like the ear just say I talked a while ago.
Yeah, she not have called on my phone and ask me money.
The money. God, you tell us go to your head.
But mommy, a holiday, I'm not.
I didn't go to your head. I didn't meet you go to your head, you have no money. Anyways, me see a dirty pa.
I lie, you see daddy?
Yeah, me see a dirty pa, but me have money for the year, you know. But me see a dirty father.
I daddy give you money for the week. I daddy give you money. No, me ask.
Daddy give which money? For your work list, papa. Ever have money for give me?
I mean, I like how you call me daddy work list, you know.
Your work list, papa, ever have money for give me?
I mean, I know about you have daddy
your
bill.
Father broke. Your father broke on me right now.
I know that disrespect. I disrespect
your father has no ambition. And careless. He not no style. He a jankro. He everything in a one. You say head up shine.
So mommy.
He not have no knowledge up in there.
We can ask her a question.
Ask me a question. Because right now I feel like standing up right and I look at you just feel how you look a deadbeat. Come talk. Mr. Talk!
You never know, say him all of them when you pick him up. Okay, that's why I always treat me so true. Me look like my father.
Why just ask me say? If me never know, say my all that when me pick him up.
I'm just asking.
In bag me face. So me could see true colors. I'm tell you, matter of fact too. You lick up in here, me a big man. Don't ask me any question there again. You hear me I tell you? Me say if you understand what me I say. Matter of fact, you see 10 clothes there, whole list. And you might see next time I pick up enough step, but you go on the head. And you not tell me nothing. You go walk and pay your feet yourself. You hear me I tell you?
Right. I'm going to live with my father.
What live with you? What live with you?
Yeah. Just subscribe and free. Just subscribe yet.
Come on, I know you're strong.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. I may say, alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. I may say, alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Yeah. I may say, alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah, man, so guess what? When I watch the movie to the entirety, you know what I mean? We usually end and all them something there, and as I said, tell me what I go on. So, hey, me I go drop episode 3, man. I want to say, tell me already, me I work. I don't want to enjoy myself shooting it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. All right, so thanks again. And yeah, check in if you want to check in. The information go there right there. So just check in, you know what I mean? See, that's all. So check in. And we shall get it. All right, so meet you at the next live stream or the next video. Out.
Yeah, but you be wrong and strong. That means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our flaws. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your flaws. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good.